Hey, I am here to talk to you about Forex for Beginners Academy. The instructor, Saeed Ali, awesome instructor. He teaches you everything you need to know about the Forex, the charts, everything. How I got started in 2019, I had to quarantine in around November from being exposed at work, which I was working 12 hours a day, 7 days a week, in order to survive. When you can't get that money, it's a big difference in your life. And I was very irresponsible with money because I knew it was coming, But when, like I said, when it stops, so I decided that I would never be in that kind of predicament, no matter what happens again. I will never be without. I need to stack in the background, have a savings. And I knew the stock market was going to do that for me. So I went on ahead and read every book I could find, got on YouTube with these guys trying to tell you, put your money in this stock, it's going to the roof, going to the moon, skyrocket, whatever. But I didn't trust them. I don't think they're charlatans. I don't think they're scammers. I just didn't want to put all my bread in that basket. I wanted to be the boss. I wanted to be the one to say, well, you need to invest in this stock market because this stock is going to get you some money, good. And I wanted to be I didn't want nobody to blame. I wanted to blame it all on me. If I lost the money, I lost the money. It wasn't because he told me or she told me or, it was my fault. Okay, so then when I got into looking at all this stuff on Facebook and YouTube, I came across a group. It's Forex for Beginners. And I knew what Forex was, but I didn't know what it was. I knew it was a foreign exchange, and I knew you could trade on it, but I didn't know trading currencies. I didn't know what kind of stock it was. And I know Robinhood didn't trade Forex. So I just brushed it off until about a month ago. I clicked on it and read, I clicked on it and I read and seen that it was a free course. What can go wrong with a free course? Let's try it. So I did the lesson. He told me how to open up Metaphor to trade and get a TradingView account for the charts. That is off the chain. TradingView is the best tool you can ever use to trade any kind of stock. But he has lessons that he teaches you, and from support and resistance to candlestick patterns to trend lines. This is all the stuff. If you into the stock market, this is all the stuff that you already know. But he breaks it down for you to understand it. He talks to you just like I'm talking to you right now, like a normal person. Don't use big words. This man he knows what he is doing, and he did something awesome when he came up with this course. From Fibonacci, I seen Fibonacci before, but that big old thing going across the chart, I didn't know what it meant. He breaks it down. I know what it is now. Okay. So I just wanted to get on here and tell you how awesome this course is. We have a group. After each lesson, he tells you, he lectures about the lesson. Then you go on your chart and you try to copy what he done, and then you post it into this group. And from him himself will get on there and critique your chart, letting you know where you went wrong and let you know what you did right. Give you thumbs up, tell you you're on your way. It's just an awesome group of people, beginners, that will help you to succeed. They don't want anybody to fail. and there is no negativity. That place, it's a family. I just wanted to say thank you, Saeed, because if it wasn't for your course, I don't think I would be where I am today. And I'm halfway through that course, and you have given me a mindset that I don't think I would have gotten without your course. I appreciate you. Thank you so much.